lessons. My name is Bobby. Today I'll be doing a tutorial of a dance piece called Take. Let's get started.
Ready?
So firstly, I'm going to teach you the first part of this routine. So you're going to step in with the right leg and slide in your left leg in. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, step and slide. So now your right hand will move like this. Blah and blah. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, da, da. Then now your left hand will move like this. Blah and da. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, da and blah. So now let's combine all the movements together. 5, 6, 7, 8, da, da. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, da, da.
Let's move on to the second movement.
So from this position, your left leg will go back and your right leg in and back and in. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, da, da, da. Again. 5, 6, 7, da, 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 da. So now your hands will move like this. 5, da, da, da. Again. 5, 6, 7, da, 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 da.
Third movement.
So the next movement, you're gonna kick out your left leg up, step and up and down. Again. 5, 6, 7, da, da. So from this movement, you're gonna go back like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, da, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, da. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fourth movement.
So from this movement, you'll step 1, 2, and back. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, da, and back, back, back. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, da, and back, back, back. So from this movement, your left hand will go in, out, back, back, back. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, da, 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 da. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, da, 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 ah.
Fifth movement.
So after this movement, ba, da, 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 da. From here, jump and turn. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, da, 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 da. Jump and turn. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, da, 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 ba, ba. Jump, turn.
Let's combine from the top till the end with music.
5, 6, 7, 8, ba. 1, 2, 3, ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, ba. 1, 2, 3, ba, ba. Jump, hey. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Bye.